This is Chris from Career Services. I am just going to show you really quickly how to find and apply for on-campus jobs at Aurora University. So the main place that this happens is Handshake. Everybody has access to Handshake through their Okta dashboard. So once you log in there, you'll see a button with the Handshake logo on it. Go ahead and click that, and that'll take you to this Handshake homepage. This is sort of your one-stop shop for all things job-related, whether that be on-campus, internships, or even professional employment off-campus. So just quickly to show some other interesting things on here, you can sign up for events and workshops, you can connect directly with employers, or you can go to the Career Center tab here and make appointments with career services and academic advising. But for today, we're going to be looking for jobs. So we're going to go to the Jobs tab, and it will load. And this is showing us every single job in Handshake, which is just over 20,000 jobs, which is a bit much. So we're going to use filters to narrow this down. There are a number of filters up here, but for on-campus work, you're going to click on this All Filters tab. And then right here at the top is an on-campus filter. So if we select that filter and we say show results, it shows that there are currently 9 open student jobs on campus. This will fluctuate throughout the year. Departments are always posting jobs to Handshake throughout the school year. I would say the busiest hiring times are usually toward the start of the fall semester, and then towards the end of the spring semester are going to be the busiest times with the most jobs available, but usually there are some jobs available at pretty much any time throughout the year. So this is where you can scroll through and look at the jobs that are available, right? Most of the jobs will show the pay and the title of the job. If you want additional information on any particular job, you can go in and click on the job, and then it'll show you on the right side here. I recommend you read the job description. This will outline what they want you to know, what the specific job functions are, and what the qualifications are for that role. Once you decide on a job that you like, if you want to, you can either save that job by clicking the little bookmark, and that will save it up here under your My Jobs settings, or you can apply directly through Handshake for any of these jobs. So you would just click on the Apply button, and then it'll ask you to upload a resume, and that's it. That's your application. One quick tip when you're uploading your resume, make sure you're uploading a PDF file. The reason for that is so that you can be sure that your resume looks just as good on the hiring manager's computer as it does on your computer. If you upload something like a Word document or something else, sometimes the formatting can change a little bit. If you would like any help making a resume or exporting it in the right format, Career Services is here for you. Please feel free to make an appointment with a career counselor, and we can walk you through every step of the process. One other quick thing to point out, some jobs will require additional documents. Let me see if I can find one here. That one is just a resume. This one is just a resume. Here we go. All right, so every now and then, a job will require something in addition to a resume. Here they're going to require a resume, and then they also want you to provide a short statement explaining why you feel you're qualified for the position. Again, just go into Microsoft Word, type this up, and then export it as a PDF, just like with your resume, and upload the PDF file here. And that's it. Once you've applied, all that goes off to the hiring manager, and then they'll be in touch regarding next steps. I hope this was helpful. If you need any help or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact Career Services. We are here to help. We're open all summer, basically throughout the whole year, regular business hours. Feel free to stop by the building or just email career@aurora.edu. All right, thank you, and good luck with the job hunt.